Good morning, Juarez family! And we are here. If you didn't get that reference, figure your life out. Alright, made it to Breckenridge very early. We did a good job this time.
Yeah, for sure.
We were here at 7:22. I don't know if it opened. I don't know if it's open yet or what the deal is, but we're here much earlier than we made it to Keystone, so definitely gonna be able to get a full day in if we're able to. if our legs aren't destroyed by 2:30. But man, Breckenridge is looking pretty sick so far. Got some snow on the way up here. It looks like it's dying down a bit, but definitely some fresh powder out there. So we're pretty stoked and ready to get after it. So stick around for some more. Peace out. For real this time. All right, what's up, people?
The upper lifts aren't open yet.
We made it to Breck. Let's go. It's a beautiful day. We got some fresh snow today. Boys are buzzing.
Boys are
Sun's
buzzing.
out. Guns out. Let's get it.
Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, your love be shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, your love be shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault. Cause when it all comes crashing down, I need you. Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake.
Yo, we just shredded some gnarly power. It was a beautiful day here. Fucking beautiful.
Sound a little out of gas.
What's up?
You sound a little out of gas.
It's just the excitement. It's kind of been building up for a while, so it's kind of taking a little bit of energy out of me. But
I think
fooling.
he's sick.
Riding around and down something, baby, it's making my heart break. Cause you make my earthquake. Oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around, your love shaking me up, and it's making my heart break. Think I body roll, don't give a fuck about none. Think like fuck my lord, them might call my lord. Love gon' set me up, bitch don't set me up. Don't retaliate, yo. He ride like the car, and she wicked, yo, like Wolf Vicky, yo. Oh my God, oh me damn not titty, yo. Slow it down, slow it down. Don't leave, it's mine.
And we are taking a little break right now from a unreal day, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but it's still snowing out today. It hasn't let up. It's let up a little bit, but towards the top of most of the peaks, we got some nice powder coming in, and it's been an amazing day. It's like this place is already blowing Keystone out of the water. But yeah, we got probably some of the best terrain, like off the grooved path that I've ever seen. Like, I don't know about you. What do you think?
It's been absolutely unreal today. It's been so much fun.
What do you think?
Probably the best ski day I've ever had.
What do you think about that, like off trail stuff?
It's nothing I've ever experienced before. It's absolutely unreal.
Yeah, it's like a good 2-3 feet maybe. Yeah, it was unreal. I didn't even know like what I was doing, but it was sick. We got some nice clips of Adam taking some diggers. Yeah, this place is gnarly. But yeah, that's it for now. Probably gonna. It's a pretty early lunch. What's it, like 11? So yeah, early lunch right now, and I think we're gonna hopefully ski the rest of the day if we can. Hoping to maybe get my drone up later on, and gonna try to hit up Breckenridge after the long day. So stick around and see some more of the skiing, maybe some clips of Bruise and aerial shots. We'll see. Alright, thanks, peace.
You make my earthquake.
I don't want no confrontation, no. You don't want my conversation. I just need some confirmation on how you feel. For real. You don't want no complication, no. I don't want no sign formation. So I didn't even know that, cause I'm for real. I said, don't leave, it's my fault. I said, don't leave, it's my fault. Don't leave, it's my fault, girl. Don't, I'll leave.
And that's a wrap. Another great day out on the slopes. We made it much later today. It's almost 4:20. But we probably, what time did we stop? Like 4:15 maybe.
Yeah.
Took us a little while to get down here and just get everything situated, but Breckenridge is unreal. Just we got up high there for one of them, got some pretty good powder. I don't know if we're more exhausted or less exhausted from last time, but we definitely need beers this time, so we're gonna go head over to Breckenridge Brewery and check that out. I think it's supposed to be a pretty cool spot, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, do whatever. Tell your friends if you like it. And we'll see you around for the next one. Thanks. Peace.
Oh, it's so far away. Can't wait to watch that one later.
It's might be one of the best days of my life.